Make a great choice today with the 2024 Tiguan. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, alloy wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, 4-wheel independent suspension, brake assist, remote keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control. Inside you'll find heated front seats, security system, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, power steering, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror, driver vanity mirror. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.